Hey everybody, this is Lisa. I am coming on with my last Christmas project, and it is using some items that I received from Beebeecraft. Now, I will have Beebeecraft's website in the description box. I will have a coupon code. It's always good to save some money. And the items, of course, that I'm about to share with you. And also with Beebeecraft, remember, if you order a certain amount, which I believe is $25, you automatically get free shipping. So you can, take that step and then use the coupon code. So save, save, save. And I believe Beebeecraft is still doing the YouTube program. If so, I will put that link in the description box as well. And it is to where you can collaborate with Beebeecraft. Okay, you just got to fill out some information, and then someone will probably get back with you. But I believe you have to have 100 subscribers or more here on YouTube, and of course you have to do videos. So the item that I'm using today is these charcuterie boards, and they are rounds and they're thin. So this is great for DIY projects, okay? So you get, sorry for the crinkling of this bag. That's the information, but it will be linked. And you can see you get a ton of these in a pack, okay? Sorry for that crinkling. And then also, again, I just don't want to focus. But this is the roll of that velvet flocking adhesive roll. So this is adhesive, and I love it. So I am still using that, and I will continue throughout my Valentine's projects because it is red, and I love it. I love, love, love that stuff. So the first thing I did, now this one is not really decorated too much, but I just thought this image was really, really pretty. And I tied a bow there, and I put some little bells there, and then I just put some more ribbon there. And then the back, I painted the back red. And that image was just too pretty to cover up, but I did put some glitter, on pieces of her to make it stand out. And I don't know why my camera don't want to focus that good. But really, really pretty. I love how these turned out. And this next one, I did decorate it like so. I don't have that one stuck in there because I'm debating on whether I want that there or not. Y'all let me know. Should I use the candy cane or no? But here is this cutting board. Same bow, same ribbon. And I also painted the back red. And I just layered up some little pieces here. Now these flowers, oh my gosh. That is using the adhesive, velvet flocking row. So what I did is I shared in the last video, you can take your, if you're going to not stick it down to your project, and say if you want to make some of these flowers, what I did is I cut me a piece and I adhered it to some cardstock. So I think this cardstock is like maybe 80. You can do 110, whatever you want to do, but you can adhere it to anything that you want to. That way you can make these pretty flowers. And I'm going to bring them up so you can see them. But doesn't that make those flowers so pretty? So pretty. And you could probably go as far as putting the fake snow on here, which I don't have the little snow pin anymore. I need to get me one. But, oh, they're so pretty. It made those flowers look so pretty. So, those are the ones that I have done. And it doesn't have to be Christmas. So, I'll probably use some more of these, throughout the rest of the year, for different holidays, occasions, or whatever. You could use these for, like, the loaded clipboard. Would be great to use these for. So yeah, love, love, love those and that flocking roll. So that is my last Christmas project and probably my last project for the year. So, no, it's not going to be my last project for the year. But anyway, that is my last Christmas project for sure. So I hope you all have a Merry Christmas, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.